All right. So day 2 of 3.3. We'll jump right into it here. So we are back in your notes on pages 14 and 15 in your white packet, and then should have a little bit of time to do some get some homework done too, and stamp and all that stuff. Yep. Yep. Right. So first function we're going to start with is number 3. We did number 2 yesterday in class on page 14, and so then we're going to start with number 3 here right now with this one. Okay. So it says graph the function, then determine the key features. Okay, we can handle that. What kind of a function is this one? Exponential. So it would be if it were if it were a sequence, it would be a geometric, but the function is exponential. Okay. All right. So give me a point that it goes through. It does not go through the origin. 0, 1. Do we agree that it goes through 0, 1? Because if we plug in 0 into our function, 3 to the 0 power is 1. So yes, I would concur that it goes through the point 0, 1. What do you got? 1, 3. Love it. Another one? 2, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you got, Ty? Because what would it be? 327?
No. 4, 27.
4, 27?
Yeah.
No. 3, 27. Yep.
I'll get there.
Well, you said it wrong too.
Yeah. 327.
Yeah, 327. Okay. Let's go the other way once. What would, if we put a negative 1, what would it be?
0.
No.
-1.
If I put in negative 1.
Wait. Oh, it's a decimal.
It is not negative 3.
It's not a decimal.
It is what?
1/3.
It's 1/3. Yep.
I got that right. You just said something.
Yeah. So our function is going to come in above the x-axis and then curve up and up and up and up. Okay? All right? So what would the domain of this function be? What is domain again? X values. What are the x values that I can put into this function? No?
No, it's all so
All real numbers. Because it's going in both directions, right? Well, it's a continuous function. It's going all real numbers. Okay. Now, if I wanted to put all real numbers in interval notation, negative infinity to positive infinity. It's an 8 tipped on its side. Push the 8 over.
I used to. Not anymore.
Just turning your paper, drawing an 8.
That's what I know.
Yep, it happens. Okay. What's my range then? Y values, right? Yeah.
No, it's 1.
Is it all real numbers?
Yeah.
No.
No. It's all positive. I was strict.
Positive numbers, right? Because we don't go negative, right? Okay, right?
It
It
never
never crosses the x-axis. So what would the lowest that it could possibly be? 0, but would it include 0? Like bracket or parentheses? Parentheses, because it doesn't include 0. It can't actually be 0. Okay, so that's a parentheses. And then how big does it get? Infinity, yep, because it's shooting straight up. Yep. So it's going to go to positive infinity. And with infinities, those are always parentheses. Negative infinity and positive infinity are always parentheses because you guys aren't Chuck Norris. Okay? Chuck Norris counted to infinity twice.
How do you do that?
Because he's Chuck Norris.
You can't put the Norse nuts.
Okay? So what's my maximum then?
Infinity at x equals infinity. Infinity at x equals.
What's my maximum then?
Infinity. Infinity at. Are you trying to trick us or not?
X equals infinity.
Yes, that's. Are you?
None. Oh, okay.
Oh, because it goes for infinity. So because
You can't get to infinity.
is infinity a number?
No.
Minimum.
That's so.
Talk to me.
Wouldn't minimum also be none?
What?
It never stops. It's
Because it can't. It just keeps getting closer and closer and closer, or smaller and smaller and smaller, closer and closer and closer to 0, but never gets there.
I don't like
Nope.
that.
It's like
Yeah, I don't like this idea.
What do you got, Todd? There's no x-intercept. Exactly. Okay. Is there a y-intercept? What is it?
1, 1.
No.
Zero.
Zero.
One.
0,
Comma 1.
comma 1.
Oh, right.
Really tough.
Okay. All right. So start on the left side, right? Because intervals of increasing and decreasing, we work left to right. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Start on the left side. Am I increasing or am I decreasing as I'm moving to the right?
Increasing.
I'm increasing.
You're still increasing.
Still increasing?
Still.
Still?
Forever.
Still? Still?
Infinity.
Still? So what is my interval of increasing?
Infinity.
Infinity is not an interval.
Parentheses, infinity, comma, infinity, parentheses.
Close.
Parenthesis, negative, infinity, parenthesis, infinity.
This one?
Yeah, that. Am I right?
Yeah, I don't like this infinity stuff.
Okay. Where are we decreasing?
You don't.
Nowhere.
None.
None.
Never.
None or never. Yep. Mm-hmm.
9.
Oh, I wonder.
If you say none, that's fine. I would accept it. From you. Not from her.
From me? No, not from me.
Not from you.
Sorry.
Okay. Number 4. Marcus bought a $900 couch on a 6-month interest-free payment plan. He pays $50 each week on the loan. Describe the key features of the relationship between the number of weeks and the amount owed on the loan. Okay? Well, in our brains, let's just come up with a quick little sketch of this scenario. So this would be money owed, and this would be
Weeks.
weeks. Yep. Okay. So what's it going to start at? 900, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's going to start at 900. And then it's going to decrease by how much every week? 50. Is it going to be continuous or is it just going to be dots?
Stop.
Dots, okay? So it's going to go down by 50 every week, right? Okay, so we got that in there now, okay? So what would my domain be?
Well,
How many weeks is that?
You tell me.
45. Is that right?
No.
40.
900 divided by 50 equals 18.
18?
So it'll be 0, bracket, 0, comma, 18, bracket.
Agree with that?
Yeah.
Because it's going to take him 18 weeks to pay it off at $50 a week. And the kicker here is the interest-free part. Okay? So every time he's, paying $50. Okay? What would my range be then? Well, I missed the first part. Bracket.
Bracket 0, 900 bracket.
That I like better. Yep, I missed the 0 part. It sounded like you just said bracket 900 bracket. Okay, what's my maximum?
900 and x equals 0.
$900, right? Because we've got labels in this problem.
Yep.
At
X equals 0.
0 weeks.
0 weeks, because again we got labels, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What's my minimum?
$0.
$0 at.
X equals 18 weeks. No, my x equals 100.
Do I have an intercept? Yeah.
Yeah. 0, 900. Don't you have a lot?
0, 900 is one of them.
You have a lot. And then 18, 0. Oh wait, never mind. I was thinking of something else.
I get it. You were thinking of data points. Yep. Okay. Are we ever increasing in debt?
No.
None.
No. So that's a none. Okay. Are we decreasing?
Yes. From 0 to 0, 18 is parentheses.
Is this a function?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep. Is this a discrete, a continuous, or a discontinuous function?
Discrete. Discrete.
It is a discrete function. We'll talk about it. Okay. Good to go?
Yo,
Right.
girl.
Okay. So this table now represents a continuous function defined on the interval 0, 6. So that would be my 0, 6 with brackets would be my domain. Okay. Do you want to work left to right, or do you want to work up to down?
Up, down.
Up, down. Okay. What's my range?
Bracket 2, or comma.
No, bracket -3.
Oh.
Yep. Because -3 is smaller, right, than 2? Maximum value 20 at.
X equals 6.
Yep. Minimum.
Negative 3 at x equals 1.
Do we have an intercept?
Yes.
What?
0, 2,
0, 2 is my, which one is this one? 0, 2.
Your y.
That's my y-intercept because x is 0. And 2, 0 is my x-intercept because y is 0. Yep. Okay. So, let's talk increasing, decreasing. From 0 to 1, we are decreasing. From 1 to 2, we are
Increasing.
increasing. From 2 to 3, increasing. 3 to 4, 5 to, or 4 to 5,
Increase.
5 to 6,
Increase.
increasing. So we're decreasing from 0 to 1, and we're increasing from 1 to 6. Agree with that? Okay. Okay. So, this is an example of a discontinuous function. Okay? A discrete function you've seen before, that's just the dots. Okay? A continuous function means that you can put your finger on one side of the function and you cannot lift your finger up the entire way. Here, I have to lift up here to jump up to this one. And then I continue on. Okay? That's a discontinuous function, which I think is is that one of our questions? Yep. So this is a discontinuous function. Okay? So, let's talk domain now.
Bracket. 0, comma, 21, bracket.
Okay? Let's talk range. Ooh, down here somewhere, kind of like right in there.
Bracket.
4 point bracket.
Bracket. 3 point, negative 3.5, comma,
10.
10, bracket.
No.
Maximum?
10 at x equals 0.
10 and x equals 0. Okay. Minimum?
Negative 3.5
At x equals 18.
Okay. 18 or 18.1?
18.1.
Because it's a little bit past it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd go, yeah. I wouldn't go necessarily 18 there. So we said that was negative 3.5 at about x equals 18.1. 'Intercepts. 0, 10 is one of them, yes.
14.8,
Okay.
0.
0, 10, 14, oops, I forgot the 1 in 14, 14.8, 0.
and 21, 0.
And 21, 0. Okay. Let's work our way back up. Function, yes or no?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Why not?
No.
Because it doesn't have exactly one output.
Yes, it does.
Oh, so it is
Straight
a
line
function.
test. Straight line test.
Vertical line test, you mean?
That one.
Because straight line is the Department of Redundancy department.
Wait, straight line
Oh,
test? Like up and down, vertical?
Vertical's up and down, yep. Okay. So if I slide a vertical line across here, right?
It's not gonna hit 2. Why?
But it does.
No,
Which one?
Because it doesn't include.
Talk to me, Grant.
If we look at,
It includes this one, right?
Both points are on the
Hold on. It includes this part right here because it's filled in, correct? Okay?
Exactly.
But what about this one?
It doesn't include.
It doesn't include that because it's open.
so it is.
So it is a function. Yes.
Okay, wait.
So
Talk
if
to
it
me.
failed, then it would.
The vertical line test is like if it's like so if it's flat.
Okay? I'll put one on for you. Okay? Ready?
Okay. I just want to make sure I know that.
Oh my god. And
Okay.
it doesn't touch the line twice.
With me?
Yeah.
Okay? So it's only ever touching once, right?
Yeah.
Only touching once, 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 only touching once. Here now, because it's included in the pink point,
Yeah, I get
it's
that.
still only touching once.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah, I get that.
And then it's only ever touching once.
So, like, it would have to be like, okay.
So it would have to be like,
Like there's another line that touches it at the same x-axis.
like that. That wouldn't be a function.
Yes.
Okay? This wouldn't be a function.
I remember this
alright.
problem last year where it was like the U that wasn't.
But
Talk to me.
the U that goes like this.
The sideways U,
And all the other.
up and down U is a function.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the
I remember
sideways
that
U
last
is
year.
not.
Sideways U is not.
Sideways U is not. Because the vertical line touches twice. Yep. Okay.
Alright.
All right. So now let's talk intervals of decrease and increase. Which one you want to do first? Decrease first. Okay. Lay it on me. Zero to 6. So that would be 0, 6. Okay. And
8. Comma.
8.
Comma.
I would go like 8.1 to 18.1.
Yeah. 8.1.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
Because isn't it right here?
Okay.
To the right here?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was decreasing. So that's, this one is decreasing. This one is decreasing. Which means now we've got increasings. 6 to 8.1.
And then 18.1 to 21.
Okay.
Oh.
I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's all. Just a reminder that we're skipping number 11 on your homework.
Okay.
Now, somewhere off to the side on your notes, though, I want to do one more thing yet. I want to show you one more slide. Okay? And that is just make a little diagram. You can either do it on the front cover or on the back page, doesn't matter. Somewhere just copy this down so that you understand which kind of function is which. On white. Yeah, because then it's in your notes. Okay? So a discrete function is just dots. Okay? A continuous function, you never have to lift your pencil to get to the other side. Okay? A discontinuous function, you've got to lift your pencil to get to the other side.